done here, and I've got just a little bit more WD-40, and say, just shake it and get it on there. Because I want to use it all up. I don't want to throw any of it away. It's almost empty now. Just going to shake it until it all comes out. Look at that. It's kind of amazing how much was still in there. Guess I can saturate that over there before I go into my next can. I've got another can here, but I didn't want to use it until I got all this done. Okay. There. See, I couldn't do anything this way. There's nothing that's going to come out. That's why I have to lift that up and just shake this and get it all, and that's it. Okay, so I'm almost done with this. I've still been working. I haven't let up on it. I just want to show you a couple more things. When you get tired, sometimes my knee goes out of joint, and if I'm sitting too much, and so I'll get out and just put it straight out behind me or down off to the side. You know, if you get tired on your knees, you can go up here like this. Got a little bit more here. I'm just going to spray some right there. If I get tired, I can just put my elbow down here and do this. You know, sometimes I'll set it out here if I have to. Because if I go like this too long, this starts getting sore. And trust me, if you have to do this all day long, you're going to want to know other ways that you can do it. You can do this. If your hand palm gets here, put a sponge here and put your hand on that. Okay, so far so good. I've got just a little bit left to go. And I'm just going to go for it. Just going to go for it. I've already got most of that sprayed on with that other WD. I'm going to put just a little bit more on. Good. Now as I'm doing it with my hand, I can go straight on, or I can hold it at an angle and just hold it over this way, or I can hold it over this way. Then I'm just doing on the edge. But at first I just will go flat. Get my knife out, my cutting knife. Now I can put it at an angle if I want, or I can go sideways. Instead of just straight like that, I can hold it here and go sideways. Or kind of at an angle. A little bit easier to hold it as you're doing it at an angle instead of sideways like that. Stretch yourself out. Let's see what we got here. Okay, let's see where I need some more. Now this time I'll just hold it and put it at an angle. And I can swirl it. I can do whatever I want. Just to free up this hand. I've got a little depression here this concrete is actually down in there. Now I can take my little one. You'd be surprised that the little one, it's got such fine bristles in it, and if you have to, you can go this way. And I want to get a lot of it, but I can still leave some of it, whatever. Okay, I'll just see what happens here. See, that's calmed it down a little bit. I'm good with that. Two-handed. Once I have some on my brush, I can move over just a hair further than where I sprayed it. Wipe that off. Okay, almost done. I see a big swath right here. Okay, spray some on there. Throw some more. Knowing that I'm almost done, I can see the end, the finish line for tonight anyways. My nice little rubber knee pad, it slips around, you know, because it's all saturated now with WD. This is where it tied in right here to the other floor where I have removed the tiles from before. And it looks like I'm going to have to do some more work on this floor here to blend everything in. I'll do that tomorrow. My main thing is to have gotten this far today, tonight, to finish up. I'm liking that. Whew. This gives you a real workout. Okay, don't go any further. Whew. See what we got here. Okay, nice. Okay. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.